Maybe someone would drop in a winning lottery ticket down.
That's from the movie Fat Chance. Well, around here tonight, it is seasonably cold out there, and the breeze at 6 o'clock has actually come back up again a little bit. But if you're going to be out later tonight, the winds will be lightening up. Now, we have just finished the first half of December, and as you know, it has been an exceptionally mild and an exceptionally snowless first half. Not the mildest and not the most snowless. In fact, in 2001, we were even warmer in the first half of December and had no snow. And then we had Christmas week 2001. 82 inches of snow fell at the airport and in the city, the greatest monthly total of snow in Buffalo history. Am I saying that could happen again this year? Absolutely not, because the difference is we now have extended range models that look out to basic trends up to 16 days in advance. That's not going to happen this year. But I've said that, I can also tell you we cannot eliminate the possibility of a white Christmas this year. Odds are more against it than typical, but not prohibitive. There's a little bit of lake effect starting to fire up, upwind, including some coming in off Lake Huron, and some of that will start to show up, especially on the hills of Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties, and a little bit up in eastern Niagara and Orleans counties later tonight as well. Suburban temperatures down a few from last night at this time. We were still in the 50s. It's 35 at Pendleton and Grand Island, 34 at Wheatfield, 35 at Williamsville and Lancaster, and we dropped down into the south towns, 37 at Hamburg and Sturgeon Point. Lake Erie is still 5 degrees warmer than average, and if we had true Arctic air and a southwest flow coming in, we'd still be talking about major lake effect potential, but that setup is not coming this week. And by this week, I mean up until next weekend. 35 now at the airport, but the wind speed came up a little, so the wind chill became more noticeable. A wind chill temperature of 26 degrees. And here are the highs for today, a little above average, upper 30s most locations, and the current readings aren't dropping that much, but by morning we're all heading into the low to mid 20s together, which is seasonably cold, nothing extreme. Even up in northern Michigan, that 16 is plenty cold at Marquette, but nothing extraordinary. And upwind, this is certainly Arctic air, but it's not a particularly cold air mass for that far north of latitude at this time of the year. So here's your Weather Watch forecast for tonight. And we've got a wrong panel in here. That's a different tonight. First, let's go to Super Microcast. Limited lake effects setting up later on tonight, and some more snow showers tomorrow. A spotty inch or two tonight and tomorrow on the hills, and then a little more tomorrow night, but nothing that's going to be all that shovelable. Now here's your forecast. Scattered flurries on the Niagara frontier, limited lake effect snow in the hills of Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties, where spotty 1 to 2 inch accumulations are likely, 21 to 26. More of the same tomorrow, 28 to 32, a little more on the hills. And then tomorrow night, some more snow showers, and will be 21 to 26, no major accumulations. Snow showers still around Sunday morning, but ending in time for the game. Game time temperature 38 with a southwest wind at 10 to 15. A little bit of light rain is possible Monday afternoon and a bit of a light mix on Tuesday and Wednesday, and again